to Let's Bake and Cook Stuff.
And look, as you can see,
This is white melted chocolate.
Lime and coconut.
lime and coconut.
Bark.
12 ounces of melted white chocolate.
As you can see.
Okay. Now we're going to add.
Coconut.
Yes.
So put it in right
Yes. Okay.
now. The almond.
Half a cup of almonds, chopped almonds.
I love
Zest of
this.
1 lime.
Yep, it's smell it. You should smell limes. They're delicious. Believe what I was gonna do. Just grab it and. Okay, now we need to mix it, right?
Okay, but
Mix
what
it all
about that?
in. She said four. You said
Like
four drops.
4 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4. Mom's
Okay, stir it up. You got to hold it with the handle and stir it up. Maybe Emma, you can hold it while Emma stirs it.
Zoe, you can hold it while I stir it. Oh, guys, that's looking good.
See, it's green for.
St. Patrick's Day.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a light
You know
green.
what happens if you don't wear green on St. Patrick's Day?
Nope.
You get pinched.
Why? I gotta see if I have any green things.
Okay, here, you hold that. And I'm going to pour it. Okay, ready?
Yeah. There I go.
Now this just has to sit
Wait,
in the
should we
fridge
make-
for about a half an hour. And then you break it into pieces, just like you do any other kind of bark. I don't know why they call it bark. Oh, they just call it candy.
Ooh, that's looking real good. I know. So good. So
Here, taste it and see. Okay, we'll be back.
As you can see, the bark is done.
yeah, see.
That's a big piece.
She has it broken in half. Give me that.
Yeah, you're just supposed to break it up in pieces. Something like that.
I'll
And
take
then-
a little.
Eat it. No.
Oh. Okay, I might eat this one with a walnut in the middle.
I'm gonna
Or
eat
nut.
this one.
Almond.
Almond nut.
It tastes limey, huh?
Look in yours. As you can see, my grandma bit this one. It has some green stuff. What does Zoe know?
That's green candy.
Oh, you're just breaking it?
Did you taste it already?
No, I taste some.
You like it?
Yep, I love it.
Mm.
And it had some bark. This. It had some of that in it.
It is bark.
See?
Our mom's trying it now.
So, do you like it or you don't like it?
I
like it. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
And then we'll see you next time.
Yep, and I'm playing with the bowl.
Yeah, and we'll see you next time. And guess what, guys? Next time it's gonna be like so good. Bye, guys.
Okay?
Zoe.
Bye.
Bye.
We'll see you all later.